Hi, my students. So I'm here to share with you our week overview this week for May 4th through the 8th. And so here it is. So we are going to be finishing the mystery of the dying fish today, or excuse me, not today. We're going to be finishing it this week. And so we have three more pollutants to tackle. Today, Monday, you're going to be working on pollutant number 3 and finishing that investigation. Is kind of an odd one, right? Like sediment, that's for little rock chunks. We feel like those should be in waterways. So you're going to see the issue is when there's too much sediment. Then tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be working on another pollutant. It's called phosphates. And I've split that into 2 days. Sediment goes a little more quickly. There's more to the phosphate stuff. So that's why I split it like I did acid rain last week. And then pollutant number 5 is one many of us wondered about when I introduced this mystery while we were still together in March. And that is oil, because we know there's an oil refinery, that boat, the oil tanker, and we wonder if there's been an oil spill. Now, Friday, you have the mystery of the dying fish assessment. And this is going to be a scored assignment, a heavily weighted scored assignment. And you're going to get that Friday where you're going to be able to use all of the files you have, but you have to figure out of the 9 suspects, which 4 are guilty and which 5 are innocent, and be able to back that up. Now, homework wise though, like if we call these things your classwork, remember we are sky watching still all through this week. And so remember you're observing the moon nightly, but one time you need to do an entire sky observation. And so if you're unfamiliar with that, go to that sky watching activity in your Google Classroom, and you'll see there a big circle to do pinpoint stars. Now, keep in mind that I'm okay if you don't want to do that with a picture. If you instead want to draw it and then just insert a picture of your drawing, that might be easier actually. And then for National Park Spotlights, we have our first, second, third, fourth block like we're used to. Trey and Logan Workman are going to be in first block on Monday. Haley is Tuesday. Jacob Curry and Kendall Fallonley, those 2 are going in third block Wednesday. And then Hunter Mitchell, Corbin Reeves, and Kylie Martin are fourth block on Thursday. Now, Friday, we don't have any Zooms, but I'm happy to schedule, and this is what it says in this little box, I'm happy to schedule a one-on-one Zoom with you that day if you need help on any assignments or fixing them. Speaking of assignments, here are the 4 things that have been scored so far this grading period. The coronavirus article and the water cycle inquiry from our first week, the California drought key concept check, that was that quiz looking thing on Google form, and then our crime report that you just would have received back last week. All 4 of these things are revisable, so you're welcome to fix them. Now, how close are we to done with things that are scored? Well, not that close, right? The mystery of the dying fish assessment is this week. You know, next week's lessons are going to be on space astronomy. You're going to be doing a weird astronomy data assignment. You just wait and see. That's next week. Your sky watching assignment is scored. Your National Parks Dream Trip assignment is going to be assigned, not this Friday, but next. And you'll have that final week to work on it. And then you know that your National Park Spotlight grade, and many of you are done and have earned a 4 on that, but that'll be inputted. So if you look at, I've scored 4 things, there are still 5 things to go in jump rope. So we still have in 2 weeks quite a long way to go. Okay, so National Park Spotlights coming up. We only have 1 more week of Zooms for National Park Spotlights after this week. So Ariana, Evelyn, and Gage are due up in first block. In second block, Hayden, Addie, and Marshall. In third block, we just have 2, Ashley and Olivia. And then my 4th block class, Titan, Emma, and Anna. So if you see your name there, I've sent you already some links about your park, but I'm happy to work with you one-on-one to help you to finalize your National Park Spotlight. Okay, let's have a good week. I'm here for you if you need me.